Your arteries are crucial to your health. They carry oxygen-rich blood to your heart and body. However, poor diet choices, high cholesterol, and inflammation can cause plaque to build up. This narrows your arteries and raises your risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. But eating the right meals can help clear your arteries naturally. They also boost circulation and lower plaque buildup. Let's explore the 5 best meals to keep your arteries clean and your heart strong. Number 1 on our list is the Mediterranean Power Bowl. It has healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients lower inflammation, improve circulation, and stop plaque in the arteries. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon or tuna protect against stiffness and help blood flow smoothly. Extra virgin olive oil is full of heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats. This keeps arteries flexible and lowers heart disease risk. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula, are high in nitrates. These nitrates help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Chickpeas and quinoa are great sources of soluble fiber and plant-based protein. They help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and keep arteries clear. To make a Mediterranean-style meal, start with grilled salmon or tuna as your protein. Serve it over quinoa or brown rice for extra fiber. Add plenty of leafy greens and drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. Include chickpeas or lentils for more plant-based protein. Top with feta cheese, olives, and tomatoes. They provide key antioxidants that help your heart. This meal is tasty and filling. It helps lower inflammation and promotes healthier arteries. Next on our list is something warm and comforting that also helps clear out your arteries. This meal is a must-try. Number 2 is spiced lentil and turmeric soup. It's a hearty dish packed with flavor. This soup contains anti-inflammatory and artery-cleansing ingredients. It's full of fiber, plant protein, and strong antioxidants. It's an excellent choice for heart health and improved circulation. The lentils are rich in soluble fiber. This fiber lowers LDL cholesterol and prevents plaque buildup in arteries. They also provide plant protein, which supports heart health. Turmeric contains curcumin, a strong compound that lowers inflammation. It can lower arterial stiffness and decrease the risk of heart disease. Also, garlic and onions can lower blood pressure, boost blood flow, and prevent clots. These benefits are vital for keeping arteries clear and functioning well. To make this heart-friendly soup, cook red or green lentils in low-sodium vegetable broth for a nutritious base. Add turmeric, garlic, ginger, and onions to boost anti-inflammatory effects. For extra fiber and vitamins, include carrots, celery, and tomatoes. These ingredients enhance digestion and support overall heart health. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to maximize nutrient absorption. It adds a refreshing tang and improves the availability of key antioxidants. This comforting meal is not only delicious, but also a powerful way to support artery health and keep your heart in top shape. Soups like this pack in heart-friendly nutrients. But if you want a crunchy, colorful meal, the next dish will elevate your heart health even further. At number 3 is the avocado and walnut super salad. This colorful dish is packed with nutrients. It's both tasty and good for your heart. This refreshing meal is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats. These ingredients help with inflammation. They lower bad cholesterol and keep your heart healthy. It stops plaque from forming in arteries. It keeps blood vessels flexible. This helps blood flow smoothly. Leafy greens like baby spinach or mixed greens are rich in nitrates. These compounds relax blood vessels. They also support healthy blood pressure. Blueberries and strawberries add a big boost of antioxidants. They protect against oxidative stress. This is important for preventing heart disease. To prepare this heart-healthy salad, start with a base of baby spinach or mixed greens for essential nutrients. Add sliced avocado for healthy fats and creaminess. Then, top with walnuts or almonds for omega-3s and a nice crunch. Add blueberries or strawberries for antioxidants. Then, sprinkle feta cheese and pumpkin seeds for extra flavor and heart benefits. Top it off with a homemade dressing. Use extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar. These ingredients can cut inflammation and lower cholesterol. This nutrient-rich meal helps support heart health. It also improves circulation and keeps arteries flexible and clear. At number 4, we have the garlic and olive oil stir-fry with leafy greens. This is a quick, tasty, and heart-healthy meal that helps improve circulation and fight plaque. It's full of nutrient-rich ingredients. They help lower blood pressure, cut cholesterol, and support heart health. One key ingredient is garlic, known as a top natural heart protector. Garlic compounds help relax blood vessels. They also lower blood pressure and prevent plaque buildup. Adding extra virgin olive oil adds healthy fats and antioxidants. Adding leafy greens like kale, Swiss chard, or bok choy boosts nitrates, which help improve blood flow. To make this meal, start by sautéing chopped garlic in olive oil to release its benefits. Then add leafy greens and stir-fry until tender. Finish with a splash of lemon juice or balsamic vinegar for extra nutrient absorption and heart benefits. This easy dish cleans your arteries, strengthens blood vessels, and keeps your heart healthy. Stir-fries are a great way to pack in essential nutrients. Last but not least, at number 5, we have oatmeal with flax seeds and berries. A heart-healthy breakfast starts your day right. Oatmeal with flax seeds and berries makes a nutritious choice. It keeps your arteries clean and lowers cholesterol. This easy meal is effective. It's rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. These ingredients support heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. The star of this breakfast is oats. They have beta-glucan fiber. This fiber helps remove extra cholesterol from the blood. Studies show that eating oats regularly can lower LDL cholesterol. This makes oats one of the best foods for healthy circulation. Flax seeds offer protection with omega-3 fatty acids. These acids help with inflammation. They also lower blood pressure and improve how arteries work. Adding blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries boosts antioxidants. These antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, which is key in heart disease. To prepare this heart-boosting breakfast, cook rolled oats in almond or low-fat milk for a creamy base. Stir in ground flax seeds for added fiber and omega-3s. Top with fresh berries to enhance the antioxidant benefits. Finish with a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon for natural sweetness without processed sugar. This tasty breakfast is easy to make. It nourishes your body and protects your arteries. Plus, it supports heart health for the long term right from your morning. And there you have it, 5 best meals to clear out your arteries. Mediterranean power bowl, spiced lentil and turmeric soup, avocado and walnut super salad, garlic and olive oil, stir-fry with leafy greens, and oatmeal with flax seeds and berries. Which of these heart-healthy meals do you already eat? Do you have a favorite artery-clearing recipe? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Visit our store to support the channel. Also, think about leaving a super thanks. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.